standing southwest of the Hagia Sophia, and where most of the people enter in on the other side on the right. And so if we look in that section there, this part of the building is where the patriarch sat, and his office is still there, and there's a mosaic I show on my website about this. And up there in that section is where he was, and where some of the synods were right next to that. You come down in this area outside, up to this yellow building is where his house was. So this whole area used to be the housing and kind of the fellowship area for the patriarch. Keep going here and you see this big tower, Ottoman tower, but we're going to cross over here and see there is a stone that is there. In the 17th century, John Flamsteed in England made Greenwich Mean Time. In the 1800s, the sailors started using it. But before that, the whole world at that point, they determined everything based on this stone here, which was the old Greenwich time marker, center of the world for maps, and where they gathered everything. This was actually an entryway, and there was an archway here and another one there on the right, and then maybe two or three, and you would enter into this area based on that area down there. We're still about 6-7 feet above ground where it used to be. So they're now renovating this area. You can see probably this street here was one of the entryways, and then later on buildings or shops were made to construct in this area for business and for other purposes. From the entrance that the Turks enter into, not the tourists, on this side, you can actually see right here, you can see a cross on that stone there, entryway.